Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Course HQ, where we will break down different ideas into minutes. Today we're going to be diving into a big question that you all might not think of all the time, but it's something that you need and rely on every single day. How does the internet work? Without further ado, please remember to subscribe, click that notifications bell, and leave this video a like, and without further ado, let's get into it. So, at its core, the internet is this massive network of computers and all over the world that all connect to each other. I want you to think of it like a giant, huge spider web, but instead of silk, it's made of data traveling through cables, satellites, and radio waves, okay? Let's say you're sending a message to a friend or watching a video. What actually happens when you hit send or press play? What will actually happen? Most of you do this all the time. You're on YouTube right now and you're doing it while you're on YouTube. But first, the information you're sending is broken into tiny pieces called data packets. Each packet has two jobs: to carry a chunk of your information and figure out where it's supposed to go. These packets travel across the network like a car on a highway, taking different routes to their destination. It's like sending parts of a letter through different mail trucks, but knowing they'll all arrive in the right order. Now, where do these packets go? Most of the time, they're headed to a server. A server is just a powerful computer that stores websites, videos, or apps. When you request something, like a YouTube video, the server sends it back to your device in packets. This happens really quick. Your device then puts these packets back together, and Viola, I don't know how to say it. I'm just trying to think of random words right now. This is my script. You're streaming your favorite show. All of this data doesn't just float through the air, it travels through actual cables. In fact, much of the internet relies on undersea fiber optic cables that connect continents. And for most remote areas, satellites and wireless networks, these are the things that fill those gaps. Next on, we're going to go into IP addresses, okay? And how do your packets know where to go? That's where IP addresses and the DNS, or the domain name system, come into play. An IP address is like a street address for computers, and the DNS works like a phone book, translating website names into those addresses. When you type in a web address, the DNS finds the server's IP address and sends your request to the right place. This happens really quick, which is really surprising. This whole process happens in under 3 minutes, unless your device is really laggy, then it happens in a longer time. And that's how the internet works. It's an amazing system of data packets, servers, cables, and a bit of magic. Well, science magic for that matter. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what topic we should tackle next. Thanks for watching Crash Class HQ. See you next time.